All right, guys. Yeah, I gotta just go over a quick video lesson. I just did this a second ago, but it didn't record. I am not technologically savvy, so we're gonna try this again. So this is. I'm actually come up here real quick. You probably can't see where this mouse is going because I think I've just got you looking at the little screen here. But I'm gonna move this to the daily. This is NUGT. All right. What we were looking for on this trade. What the fuck? Dude, yeah. All right. So this was yesterday. This red candle right here, big red candle. I was looking for a bounce play, and was confident. Just came off a couple wins, feeling good. So my plan was to slowly scale in long on at support and take it off on a perk. Let's see what happened. So this is the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna see if I can show you the open here. Okay, so I don't have pre-market on here, but pre-market had actually shown that it had broke the highs from yesterday. So here's yesterday's highs. They're up here. So the pre-market stuff's in here, but you know, it had broken these highs in pre-market and then kind of came back down and then opened up right at like 1307, I think, whatever that fucking was. Let me see. Yeah, 1407, I mean. So my plan was to try to buy, you know, nibble here, nibble, 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 and then sell for the breakout up here. My thought process was we would actually see support here at 14 because of the fact that it gapped up so high and the fact that, you know, now that I'm looking at this though, I'm like seeing this huge decline. I'm surprised I took that position because it hit that. Anyway, I'm seeing something here. Yes, I didn't really see before. That's a massive fucking drop. Jesus, look at that. Anyways, so I had 600 shares, all I had for buying power. So I ended up buying some on this dip here at 1420. I let it kind of go a little bit, and then I bought just a little 100 shares here, and then 200 shares at 14 when it came down here, and then 100 shares around here, 1390, and then my final 200 shares I grabbed here at like 1380s. So I had an average of 1399, which is right here. Felt super confident and really didn't think too much. I thought, you know, 1375s would kind of hold, so when it kind of boom and popped up, I was like, yeah, it's gonna rally. So I was looking for this rally. I was looking for it to kind of rally and then kind of perk and break out. That was the plan. I was gonna sell. That was gonna be awesome. I was gonna sell up here and make a couple $100. So that's not what happened though. So it came up here per plan, and VWAP, which is not on here, was at 1407, so which is right there. All right. So I was profitable of about $40 based on my little 600 share position at one point. Twice actually, right here. And this was a double top, so I don't know if you can kind of tell, but this is 1407 high, 1408, 14 fucking 08 here. So double tops right there and fades off. So I should have recognized the VWAP stuff and got out, and I shouldn't have given a shit. I could have taken a market order to get out. I could have just put a limit order. I could have put a stop loss at 14 once it got there, you know, just to kind of protect it, because if I'm expecting, I didn't want to get stopped out and watch it go like that. So I was trying to play it cool, Fonzie. You know, I was patient through all this shit. So I was like, you know, I don't want to get impatient here. But that was the wrong move. VWAP should have been out on that. Now, let's say, you know, that would have been the shrewd thing to do, you know, but I'm human. So I'm thinking, all right, I'll let it go. So I let it go, and it came back down. And I was thinking this was low or high, right? So here's the low of the day, and boom. This is a good little grinding pattern. So A, B, kind of like this. If it breaks this top, you can start buying in here, break out, boom. Now the fact that it's stuffed, started to drift down, this is danger. This is short all day long. It's a basketball, so imagine it bounces up, boom, comes back down. The next bounce, lower high, right? Boom. Bounces off this line. Bounces up, look at that, lower high. Right here, this is the line in the sand, folks. If it snaps that, it's fucking going down. It's exactly what happens. So, if I wasn't smart enough to get out here, and I was trying for this, then what I should have had was, okay, line in the sand right there. That would have only cost me about 20 cents on the trade if I'd have got out right there. Maybe with a little bit of slippage, another couple pennies. Instead, what we ended up doing was we let it roll on us, man. I didn't have good risk management, so I let it do this shit to me. I held on, and then I started looking. I started changing my stops. I was looking at, oh well, maybe 1350s, because you see the previous day at the end here was 1350s. Okay, I let that break. Then I was like, oh well, no, yesterday's low, which was 1330, right over here. These guys. I was like, maybe that'll be low, 1332. So I was thinking that was a low. So that wasn't it. So this was where I finally drew the line in the sand. I was like, okay, and I got out. 1330, I stopped out. But look at this, and that was good. Not great, but good. This is a good lesson. So I ended up out here. This is where I stopped out right there. So it came, small bounce, came up, and look at this. It fucking snapped that and just kept on fading off all the way and closed at the lows at 12.59. So good lesson learned on that, on risk management all around. I'm glad I cut it where I did. It's absolutely, I can make it back. It's not a big deal. But this is good. And my other lesson is don't trade fucking NUGT. Just leave it alone, man. These things are, you gotta be wired tight and be ready to fucking do that. So anyway, good luck, guys.